Hi, good afternoon everybody. My name is Nick and I work as Klober's Portfolio Manager in the UK, and welcome to the second of our Meet the Product video series. The first one, you may recall, I introduced to you the new entry-level 6-metre dry ridge system, which, pleased to report, has started moving quite well for us, so thank you for that. Today I wanted to introduce to you the Rollfix range, or the Rollfix family of ridge and hip products that we have. There's a couple of components which are uniform to them both, the fixings essentially. So we've got the batten straps, we've got the screws in the washer, and we've also got the clamping plate. So the fixing of them is pretty similar. I think what sets it apart from competitor systems is the quality of the roll itself. So this is the Rollfix ridge roll. 3 points really that I want to make you aware of on this. Firstly, there's no holes in this system, so it's a clever breathable fleece allowing all the ventilation that you'll need. Secondly, it's the depth of these corrugated parts on the aluminium side strips, so they allow you to dress it down to a much deeper pantard if that need is there. And the third point really is the butyl on the back. So the peel-off strip it comes away quite easily, but it's a real sort of sticky, and the depth and the quality of the butyl is there to see. So it's it's a quality ridge roll which is forming part of these the Rollfix systems. As you can see, we've got a concrete and universal system to look at. It's the ridge-to-ridge seal that is the differentiator between the two. So this is what we call the concrete system. Now this has the fixed lugs, which I know are very popular. A lot of people do really like that. The second one is the universal system, which will work with both the clay and the concrete system. So the universal is a real pull of that system as well. Alongside these two, there's also a rigid half round seal for a clay half round ridge tile. And there's also the hip kit as well, which also goes on to include the hip trays in the box to form a level base down the hip line, and also the crow clips to enable you to fix those awkward little cuts as you cut into the hip line. So there's 4 products forming the Rollfix range, which we've got absolute confidence in, so much so that we invited a selection of roofers to fit the Rollfix range alongside some competitor products, and the feedback was absolutely fantastic. Pleased to confirm they backed and supported our beliefs that it's a premium system, and they did go on to vote it #1. So hopefully it's of interest to you. Please contact your local area manager if it is, or have a look at klober.co.uk. Thanks for watching.